Welcome to MooMooMath and Science. In this video, let's go over how to find the prime numbers for 60 and 72. So let's get started. I like a factor tree. Since it is a 60, I know, why don't we just start with 6 times 10. Neither one is prime. I know that 2 times 3 is 6, so I can circle them because they are prime, and then 2 times 5 is 10, and we are all the way down to primes. And so the prime numbers are 2, 2, 3, and 5. And if you would like to write it in exponential form, you can go 2 squared, 3, and then 5. Up next is 72. Okay, now let's work on 72. Again, I'm going to do a factor tree. So why don't we just go ahead. Again, it ends in an even number, so I'm just going to start with 2. 2 times 36 is equal to 72. And 2 is prime, so I'm going to circle that. I know that 6 times 6 is 36. Neither one is prime, so I won't circle that. And then 2 times 3 is 6, and I'll go 2 times 3 again. And if you'll notice, we are all the way down to prime numbers. So they are 2, 2, another 2, and then a 3 and a 3. And if you'd like it in exponential form, you can go 2 cubed, 3 squared. So there we go. They're the prime numbers of 72.